The most common mistakes a lot of Amazon sellers make, if not all beginners Amazon seller actually make, is trying to go too fast. It is pretty much trying to use advanced methods to try to scale your business while you do not even have the foundation set. What I'm going to talk about in today's video is something that is really, really important, but just because it can make you lose a ton of time in your journey to actually scale your business if you do things wrong, like I'm going to outline in today's video. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangonza. I've been teaching people how to start Amazon business for a little while right on this channel, almost 2 years of daily videos, daily tutorials. If you want my help to actually scale your business, now you can go on this link. You can sign up for my coaching program. All right. So you'll just get on a call with a member of my team and we'll see if it's a fit, if it's worth it for you to actually join. All right. So as I said, you should take it one step at a time. A big mistake that a lot of people make is trying to use methods that are meant to scale a $100,000 a month business into a $200,000 a month business, while they are actually trying to go from $0 to $10,000 a month. All right. It's not going to work. I mean, it's going to work, but it is not optimized for this. Like I'm actually looking at trying to get a $200,000 a month, right? I'm trying to see how I can get my Amazon business to do $200,000 a month every single month. The things that I'm going to optimize, the things that I'm going to look at differently that you are looking at to scale my business are 100% different from the things that you need to look at if you want to go from $0 to $10,000 a month. All right, it's totally different. You can go from $0 to $10,000 a month working 1 day a week, right? And to be honest, just go to the FBA blueprint. How is it called? The 10bandsformula.com. All right, 10bandsformula.com. There should be a link in the description. I'm probably going to forget to put it. I have videos on it. I don't even want to push it in this video, right? You can do it working 1 week, 1 day a week, right? Or you could do it working 1 week a month, pretty much, all right? If you can do this, why would you actually try to break your ass to use some advanced methods that would not apply to your business anyways, right? What I'm trying to do right now with my business to reach that point is just to find stuff that sells faster, even if it's at the lowest return on investment, because my money is going to be able to compound faster, right? This is one of the main strategies that I'm going to use. It's one of them, right? That way it's easier to leverage all that stuff. And it's something that I've been talking a lot about lately, but it's not the only thing. It's one of the things, right? If you haven't sold anything just yet, you do not know what a great product on Amazon looks like, there's no point in you doing that. You're going to skip a lot of leads that could have actually been great leads for you. If you have a lead that sells once every 3 days, all right, that you can sell for $200 once every 3 days at a 70% return on investment, you should go for that, because we do not have the same problem inside of our business. My problem is trying to spend as much money as fast as possible, as efficiently as possible. Your problem is to just figure out how to spend $5,000 a month, pretty much, all right? These are not the same problem. Trying to spend $5,000 a month is not the same as trying to spend $50,000 a month. It's absolutely not the same. We are not going to run into the same issues, right? Whether it is 50,000, 100,000, we are not going to run into the same issues. Even like $5,000 a month is pretty much, let me get the calculation right, it's $166 a day. All right. It's really easy to do that with online arbitrage. We are not going to run into the same issues. The issues that I'm going to run into, because like, to be honest, at this point, if you get something that do not sell too fast, it's okay. You're just spending $166 a day. It's fine. All right. By the time the items arrive, you can literally FBM everything and it should be gone in, to be honest, if you FBM everything, like if you buy something today, it should be gone by if you spend that little money. And let me actually bring this back because it was too, no, it's actually fine like this. It's absolutely not the same problem. It should be gone by the end of the week or the next week, right? Now, if you actually need to spend $2,000 a day, it gets way more tricky, all right, to keep the same velocity. And this is the thing. Do not try to keep it easy, all right? Do not try to use some advanced sourcing method, all that shit. You don't need that stuff. You absolutely do not need that stuff. You can run that with a couple of leads, $166 a day in spending. You will be fine, right? You will 100% be fine. You do not realize that, stop trying to think about leveraging, all that stuff, about scaling. You should not do the stuff that is scalable when you try to go from $0 to $10,000. Okay, you can optimize later. You'll figure it out. I was doing a lot of shit that were not scalable at all until I reached $40,000 a month. I did a lot of shit that were absolutely not scalable. My business model, when I was doing $40,000 a month, was absolutely not scalable. When was it? Probably around 1 year and a half ago, when I was doing $40,000 a month. It's almost 2 years ago. It should be 2 years ago. I'm not even sure. I was doing close to $40,000 a month, around $10,000 profit, doing a lot of beauty stuff, reselling a lot of the free. It was not scalable at all, but it helped me build capital, and it helped me actually understand how to do online arbitrage at scale. And then I moved from this to, I changed my business model a little bit. But you should not start doing online arbitrage the same way as I'm doing it right now, because it's not going to work for you, all right? You're trying to fix problems that you do not have just yet. You do not have these problems just yet. You just need to figure out how to spend $166 a day. Easy. You should be able to do that in 2 hours of storefront stalking. Literally. And you should have way more leads than you need with just 2 hours of storefront stalking a day. Way more than that. It's as easy as that. Don't try to fix problems that you do not have just yet. These problems will come as you grow your business. Stay where you are right now and try to fix your first problem, which is trying to get to $10,000 a month. All right? And to be honest, you can do shit that are absolutely not scalable up to $100,000 a month. I'm telling you, you can. All right? Is it efficient? Is it the most efficient thing? Absolutely not. Will you be able to travel the world while doing it like I did? Absolutely not. But you can reach that point and then switch your business model afterward. Absolutely. So do not waste your time at using strategies that are not going to serve any purpose for your business. Do the stuff that is not scalable and then move. Switch business model. I talked about retail arbitrage being trash. Yeah, do retail arbitrage. If you're not at $10,000 a month, absolutely, if you can do retail arbitrage, do retail arbitrage. It's going to be really fast. You can spend $5,000 in 1 weekend easily if you suck at it. You can spend that amount of money in 1 weekend without any problem, right? So you just need to work 1 weekend in 1 month, and you should be able to get to $10,000 a month doing retail arbitrage. You don't need more than that, all right? But do not get stuck to retail arbitrage for too long like a lot of people are doing, all right? Make the move to online arbitrage. You need to graduate from these. Sometimes, you just need to forget about what you're doing and just graduating to the next step. But most of you guys are trying to do it too early. And a lot of you guys are waiting too long to graduate as well, okay? You need to graduate at the right time, and sometimes it's going to be difficult. And I know that making the jump from retail arbitrage is absolutely not easy, but it's necessary. So remember that you need to graduate, fix one problem at a time. Don't fix problems that you do not have just yet. All right? I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. And by the way, you know what? Before we end this video, actually, we are almost in 10 days, in 11 days. I will have posted daily videos on YouTube for 2 years, and on some days more than 2 videos, right? We talked about graduating. I think I graduated from that. It serves its purpose, but I'm not going to lie. It causes a lot of, the channel could grow faster if this is not what I was doing. If I was actually using a different business model on YouTube, and I need to graduate from that, right? So it's going to be the end of daily videos starting from January 1st, right? I hope you guys actually enjoyed it. Of course, I'll still post videos, it's not about that, but I'll probably take a break from posting on YouTube because I haven't done that in 2 years, right? But yeah, posting daily, some videos tend to cannibalize other videos when you release that much content. I'm telling you because I like you notice it, right? So you can have a video that is doing really, really great. Once you post something else, it will actually cannibalize this video, right? So which means that it's going to take, like, the new video is going to get reached, the old video is not going to get reached. So we are going to graduate from this. It serves its purpose. I was able to build a great community by doing that. I was able to get some errors at the same time. But yeah, we are going to graduate from that. And I want to just make the announcement for you guys, if you are still watching the videos daily, right? If you've been watching since the beginning, let me know. Let me know how long you've been watching. You know, it's cool. I'll make a live talking about all that, by the way. We'll talk before the new year, maybe on the 31st. We'll see. But yeah, I wanted to talk a little bit about this with you guys before ending the video. It's going to be the end of daily videos. All right. I'm going to miss it. I'm not going to lie. I actually enjoy, like, sitting in front of the computer and making content for you guys like this daily. Sometimes it's a little bit hard. Like this Q4 was a little bit hard. You guys have seen it because, like, I don't even do thumbnails anymore. I used to have a guy doing my thumbnails, but I ended up doing mine. And, like, not doing the daily videos anymore will help me by being able to have videos that are edited, because, like, editing videos every single day is, first of all, really costly if you have a video editor, or really time consuming if you do it yourself. I used to do it myself at the beginning, and I stopped doing that, and I just did unedited videos, right? So yeah, hopefully we'll do another 1 year challenge, by the way. It's not going to be this year because I'm going to try another model, or maybe not. Maybe I'll go for a third year. Who knows? Maybe I will. And I'd like to do it, but I really want to try something else. But as I said, yeah, maybe I'll do a different model for 1 year and then we'll get back to the daily videos. We'll see. But yeah, hopefully, or for a couple of months, we'll figure it out. But yeah, hopefully this video has been helpful, and I'll see. Maybe I'll still post daily videos on my second channel. We'll see about that. But yeah, hopefully this was helpful. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.